Hi there, we are looking at how we can add a template to B4J for BVAD3. From the Github Repo, we need to access the templates folder to download the new template. The B4J IDE should be closed to install the template. Download the template and save it to your PC. The next thing is, you need to copy the template to the B4J internal libraries folder. Go to Program Files, locate Anywhere Software, then B4J, copy the file to the libraries folder. To work with the template, start the B4J IDE. Click File, New, then BVAD3 1 menu item. Then type your project name and click OK. The empty new project is loaded. Let's look at how the base template for the project has been created. We have used a VueElement custom view to create the layout. Each element we put on the layout has its own Vuetify element tag and then a unique name. We can also update any of the attributes we need to update. For example, the VIMG element, we indicate the max height and max width, the source, border radius, etc. For the app title, we will use state binding for its text. We define a state called app title, we will change that via code. Inside the navigation drawer we add a list. A generic list has been built for BVAD3 for ease of customization. For this case, we add a transition component. This is where our route pages will be shown inside a router view. We also add a global snack bar that can be shown on any page. We used generate members on the custom view to link the elements to code. We will call a binding method to ensure that the layout works with the app. After we load the layout, all the elements are available. We can update attributes, classes, bind events to them. Let us run the application. We are using the Laragon development web server for our project. We are running it within a secure layer. The base layout has a navigation drawer, a hamburger button and a navigation bar. In our image, we have also applied some elevation to make it pop out. Let's look at the generated HTML layout for our app. Let's paste this to Visual Studio Code. This code is generated from the layout we created. The layout for our tree-like list was generated when we specified the type of template to use for our list. Congratulations for installing and testing the new template.